We're gonna launch it. Ready? Oh shit! In this build series, we're taking this 2024 Audi S3 that's completely stock. We're gonna put some new wheels on it and let's see how much it changes the appearance of the car and the overall dynamics. Check it out, we got it loaded up here. I won't reveal it yet. You kind of get an idea, a little sneak peek, but let's go ahead and throw these on. We've got them loaded up in the back of the S3. Let's go ahead and throw them on. We'll take it to the shop. We'll get them installed, and yeah, can't wait to show you guys what this looks like. Super excited. Let's go ahead and change the look of the car, guys. Got a little bit more driving to go before we get to the shop, but yeah, man, I'm excited. Brand new wheels. What I'm really looking forward to is with the 19-inch wheels, the wheel gap, and they fit all that great. Like, I like the OEM look, but with these, it's just a little bit more tire profile, so it should soften up the ride quality just a little bit more. So that's what I'm really looking forward to. Not saying that this ride is bumpy at all. It's just with the car being lowered and everything, it's a little bit more aggressive. And I think with just a slight thicker sidewall, like what I'm used to with the GTI, I think that's going to kind of just clean up the look in terms of tire and also just the overall ride feels. Let's see how it goes, man. All right, so check it out. We got some new tires to match with the new wheels. These are some Yokohamas, and they're a little bit wider than stock. You can take a look there. I always love getting new tires. It's just a nice combination with some new wheels, just fresh rubber. Take a look at the clearance on these wheels. You can see it's not the largest, but it's enough to be able to get away with it. Take a look at that there. Here's the backside. Most people don't show what the backside clearance looks like from the brake caliper, but I'm trying to show it to you here so you get a better idea. Look at that right there. So it's enough to be able to run these without worrying about rocks getting stuck, scraping the inner barrel there. Take a look at the backside, closer to where your struts and springs would go. It's about one finger that can fit right there, so pretty tight, but it's always enjoyable to see the new wheels getting balanced and mounted and everything. Bam. And yeah, guys, driving around, I mean, it feels great. A little bit more peppy than the factory wheels. It's not crazy, right? But it is a slightly noticeable difference, so something to note there. It's still on the quiet side, right? Because it's full factory exhaust and everything, so can't expect too much from that. Let's do a quick hit. Ready? Go. Oh, okay. I love how it shifts. It's so nice. It's a good break from driving stick shift and rolling through the gears. Well, that's really fun too, but it's nice to just let the computer do it. And with the S3, I'm pretty sure you could do it in the other like base model Audis too, but you got different gauges that you can select here. So right now we're in one of the, I think this is like the dynamic gauge. So the way how it revs and everything just looks a little bit different on the tack there. The tack is just, the layout is different. It just picks up and it moves, guys. Let's do manual mode. And you get these burbles from stock too, which is really nice. Like I like that. Here, you hear the burbles, you just let off throttle. Just under like 4,000 RPMs. I can only imagine what this thing would be like once it's tuned up. As once we start throwing some power mods on there, it's gonna change the entire car. It's gonna wake it up. I mean, you know how it is when you tune these European cars. I think you guys wanna see me launch it, huh? I think you guys want to see me launch it. Here, let's pull up to the next light here. Traction is off already, so let's see what's up. Wait for the light to change. We're gonna launch it. Ready? Oh shit! Oh! Alright, I need to chill out. The camera smacked my face. Alright. We're gonna chill out. All right, and let's check it out. Let's see the final product. Bam. So VS5 RS wheels from Apex Racing, and I think these look great. The gunmetal, the anthracite color, that's what they call it, but I think it gives a good contrast with the white paint. It's kind of taking some time to get used to it because I got so used to like the stock wheels, but so far I'm liking how this looks. They are downsized a little bit. These are the smallest wheels that will clear the caliper on these cars. So you can kind of see right there, the clearance is it's tight, but it's enough to get away with it. No, but I think these wheels look great. Do I feel a difference from acceleration, anything like that? I want to say yes. It just feels a little bit happier on throttle. Get on it. It just a little bit peppier than with the stock wheels. So that's always a plus. I just like how this thing looks, man. It's so clean. Like, just look at it. It's nice. Originally, I was gonna get a different color wheels, but I decided to go with the anthracite color, that gunmetal color, just to see what it would look like. When I first put it on, I thought it was but as the days go by, I'm getting more used to it now. So I think it looks great though. Definitely some good wheels. In terms of OEM fitment, this thing 10 out of 10. Like, looking at the quality of these wheels, man, I mean, like, they're forged, right? So they're gonna be more costly in terms of like the clearance, like the overall design of it, the weight, what Apex Racing gives you with these wheels. You get center caps included, and right, I'm not like sponsored by them or anything. I'm just telling you what I got. Go watch their video on their YouTube channel. They explain the overall engineering of every different aspect from what they're doing with these wheels. The Audi definitely looks modded now. It looks like we got some power mods, or very tuner looking, but no, it's still stock. We're gonna hit those up soon though, so give it some time, guys, and we're gonna get more power mods on there. But for now, they got some new lightweight wheels. They're a little bit wider than factory, which is nice. So on different like on-ramps and stuff like that, this car feels a lot more planted, which is badass. I love how it drives right now. It feels great. When you switch into dynamic mode, the steering wheel tightens up, and man, the S3 is just it's a nice car. Like, it's different, right? It's same but different from the GTI, right? You got the MQB platform and motor and stuff like that, so it's same in that aspect, but it's a different car because we got the sedan now. The interior, guys, like, everything is just so nice about this car. I like it. I can't complain. Again, it is stock, so it's not the quickest thing, right? It's not the fastest thing out there, but for being stock, I would say it holds its own, and digs are really fun in this being stock. So, but super excited to get some power mods on there. It's coming, guys. Just give it some time. The 2024 cars, the TCU is still locked, so we're waiting for that. Once that unlocks, we should be good to go. Throw some power on there, get the thing tuned up, and we'll do launches. We'll do a lot more, but we got the wheel and tire set up, ready to go for this, so it's gonna be real nice once we get everything dialed in and set up, one piece at a time. But again, the wheels just changes the overall look of the car. So I did like the factory wheels on these though, the 19 inches. I thought they looked great. I know some people don't like them, but if they weren't as like heavy and everything like that, I would have probably kept those on for a little bit longer. But I couldn't pass up VS5 RS from Apex Racing. Just again, the overall design and everything that it comes with, clearing the brake calipers, OEM fitment, without needing hub spacers, anything like that. All of that was just a plus for me. So I think one of the main reasons why I opted for these wheels. Anyways, let me know what you guys think. Do you like the new Apex Racing wheels on this 2024 Audi S3? Would you have gone a different color or a different brand? Let me know what you guys think. Again, personally, I love how it looks, so if I could do it again, I would. Different color, I don't know. I like this color. I think the only other color I would consider on this car would be the like a bright silver, but again, just the darker gunmetal, it just gives it a nice contrast with the white paint. Man, this thing looks really nice. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope to catch you on the next one. Peace.